Hey, are you having trouble with Discord permissions not saving properly? Yeah. It's super frustrating when you change settings for a role or channel, but nothing actually sticks. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Discord permissions not saving in 2026. Let's get it sorted. First, make sure your own account has the Manage Roles or Administrator permission. Without sufficient permissions, any changes you make won't save. Next, check the role hierarchy. Discord won't save changes to roles higher than your own. Make sure the role you're editing is below your top role in the hierarchy. When editing permissions, always click the Save Changes button at the bottom. It's easy to overlook this, and without saving, nothing will apply. Channel-specific overrides can sometimes block role permissions. Check each channel's permission overrides to ensure they aren't conflicting with the role settings. Sometimes Discord's cache causes permission settings not to save. Close Discord, then clear the cache. On Windows, press Windows key plus R, type %appdata%, delete the Discord folder. On mobile, clear cache from app settings. Make sure Discord is updated. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the app. A fresh install often resolves stubborn permission issues. If none of these fixes work, contact Discord support. Provide your server details and explain the issue. They can help troubleshoot and fix persistent permission problems. And that's it. One of these fixes should get your Discord permissions saving correctly again. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching.